guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we'll see how we can interface the TDS sensor with Arduino. So for that, take the Arduino Uno and take the 16 by 2 LCD over here and take the I2C module for the LCD. We'll rotate this. Okay. Now we'll take the TDS sensor. Now we'll also take the virtual terminal to see the result. Okay, so we'll be displaying the result on the LCD and we'll be seeing the result on the virtual terminal as well. Okay, so first we'll make the connection for the LCD over here. So what you have to do, connect the last four pins of the LCD to the last four pins of the I2C module over here, as you can see. Now make the connection as I'm showing you right now. Now connect the fourth pin of the LCD to the fourth pin of the I2C module and fifth to fifth and sixth to sixth. Okay. Now after that we have to connect the A0, A1 and A2 pins. So for that take the ground pin and connect A0 to ground, A1 to ground and A2 to ground. Right. Now no, okay, just a second. So A2 to ground. Okay, we'll do this. Now what we have to do, we have to connect the SCL and SDA pins of the I2C module to the SCL and SDA pins of the Arduino. So for that, connect the SCL to the A5th pin of the Arduino and A4th pin of the Arduino to the SDA pin. Right now, we'll connect the virtual terminal. So connect RX to TX of the virtual terminal and TX of the Arduino to the RX of the virtual terminal. Right now, one more thing, guys, I've already made the video about pH sensor and turbidity sensor, how you can interface both the sensors on the Proteus. You can go and check it out. The link will be in the description. And one more thing, almost 80% of the people don't subscribe my channel, so it's a humble request. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, we'll connect the TDS sensor with the Arduino. So for that, connect the out pin to the A1 pin of the Arduino and take ground and connect the ground and take the power pin and connect the VCC to the power pin. Okay, now as you can see over here we have test pin. So for that take one pot HG and we'll connect the test pin to the pot over here and we'll also give power and ground to the pot. Okay, now we'll make the connection for this. Okay, now we'll have to write the code and we'll dump the hex file in the Arduino. Now open up the Arduino IDE and as you can see over here we have written the code. Now just compile the code and we have connected the TDS sensor to pin number 1 A1 of the Arduino. Now you can find the hex file over here to this location. Okay, you can copy this location or you can directly press Window plus R button on the keyboard and search over here %temp%. Now click on OK. Now you can see the file over here because in the Arduino you can see Arduino build 163637. So now open this file and copy the hex file over here. Right click and just copy. Go to Proteus, double click over here. Now in place of program file we have to paste the hex file. So select the file and click on open. Now click on OK. Now we'll run the simulation. Okay. Now, as you can see over here, we are getting the TDS value as 3549. That is the max range of this TDS sensor over here. So we'll vary the TDS, right? As you can see now it's almost 617. We'll decrease this again to 348, 188. Now we'll decrease more. Now it's almost 48 ppm. You can also click on this button, okay, over here. Now you can see 30 ppm. or you can just slide this. Okay, so this is how you interface the TDS sensor with Arduino and Proteus. Okay, one more thing, guys, if you want to see any simulation regarding any sensor, just comment down and let us know. We'll try to make that sensor. And for more queries, you can mail us at techtube2@gmail.com. For now, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.